This is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
I believe, up there on the water, just waiting for some administrative processes to happen, and we'll have a start. Looking forward to a white flag, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, should I say. Start is happening. White flag. First event on the water. Oh, they're coming up nicely all together. Race 252. It is the Master 40 men V12 500 metre repechage. And I'm telling you, I have a feeling just in my bones this is going to be a good one. Red flag's been raised. They will come up to the official start line and stop there. We have a start in the first race of the day, day number 5, here at Singapore at this the IVF World Sprint Championships. Let's take in the first 40-50 metres. Looking good out there in lane 4, the fastest qualifier. We'll see who that is shortly. In lane number 1, it's Canada. In lane 2, USA. In lane 3, Australia. Lane 4, got a good start. It's Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 5, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 6, it's Hawaii. Lane 7, it's Brazil. Lane number 8, Hawaii. Here they come. Look at them cruising. Lanes 4 and 6 seem to be the two that are out there. There will be it's Tūranga Waiwai. Amohia, they are from Aotearoa, New Zealand. And out in 6, it is there. 33 Kihei, 59 Hawaii. Let's see how they go. Looking strong, half a Waka length in the middle of the race course as they come down here. Once again, let me tell you who's out there as they approach this halfway mark. Boom, they've got there. It's lane 1, Canada, they're up there. Lane number 2, USA. Lane 3, Australia. Lane 4, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 5, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 6, Hawaii. Lane 7, Brazil. Lane 8, Hawaii. Come on, let's wake up and get out there on the water side. Or if you're on the big screen, I need to hear you as they pull out now. Extending their lead out there in lane 4. Aotearoa, New Zealand, Tūranga Waiwai. That is, it is 33 Kie in 7 Brazil. It is there, Baishunua, Ahuna, should I say, as they come home now. Less than 15 minutes to go. It is in lane 5, got a lead. Don't see them relinquishing that one. Who will take second and even more third? Seem to be the closest as they push now. Let's focus on the front with 40 minutes to go. They come down to now 30 and soon 15 as they come to the finish line. One Waka length in the lead. Lane 4, it is Tūranga Waiwai Amohia. Lane 6 it is. It is Hawaii 33. I heard there in lane number 8, Tosu, as they came out there. Great racing for the first race of the day. Red flag down the far end of the race course, not far away from start. Let's see if we can get a clean start. Oh, black flag came up. Again, paddlers trying to get the best advantage as they possibly can. We have a start and the green flag is flying in this race. It's race number 253, Master 40 Men V1 500 meter heat semi-final number 1. This is a semi-final. Lane 1, it's Mark Malachi Williams from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane number 2 there we have Felipe Mazur from Brazil. In lane number 3 it is Jeremy Mamatui from New Caledonia. Lane 4 fastest qualifier Vetea Toi from Tahiti. Lane 5 it is in Tahiti from Heimanaturi. In lane number 6 it is Julio Piderano from New Caledonia. In lane number 7 it is Florian Smith from Germany. Lane 8 it is there. It is Jackie Atua Koifenua from Wallace Futuna. That's how they line up. We look through the middle of the race course and we got someone in the middle and someone on the outside. Who would that be? It's lane 8 is up there. It is Jackie Tua Koifenua from Wallace Futuna. It's probably in second place at the moment, but it's the middle of the race course. Lane 4, the fastest qualifier, Vetea Toi from Tahiti, who's got the lead. Outside him from Tahiti also, it's Heimanaturi from lane number 5. Those are the 3 putting in the effort now and are seeming to make a bit more of a lead as there is a blanket covering the rest of the field. Out there in lane number 1, it is Aotearoa, New Zealand. In lane 2, it's Brazil. In lane 3, it's New Caledonia. Out here in lane number 6, New Caledonia. In 7, Germany. So let's see how it goes now. They're starting to close up. No doubt who's got the lead. It is there, it's Vetea Toi. But who's going to come in next? Outside him, it is there, that is Tahiti, Heimanaturi. As they come up, those will be the first 2. And then it's going to be a fight for all the rest of those places. It's going to be Tahiti. Vetea has got it in the bag. And it's the teammate, Tahiti, Heimanaturi. It is Tahiti. It is Tahiti as they come through. And who would have been up there? I think it was out there in lane 8, Wallace Fortuna. Not sure, all unofficial from me. Vocal. And we have a start out there on the water. It's been going for a little while. My apologies, we had to finish off some other calls as well. Race number 254, the Master 40 metres. It is V1 500 metre semi-final number 2. So this is going to be a good one. In lane 1 is Hawaii, lane 2 Aotearoa New Zealand, lane 3 Tahiti, lane 4 Tahiti, lane 5 Tahiti. They are the fastest qualifiers out there. Lane 6 is Aotearoa New Zealand, and lane 7 Aotearoa New Zealand, lane 8 is New Caledonia. So here they come now. They've done their first 250 metres, that's well sure. Lane 1 it is Kaina Makua from Hawaii. Lane 2 Sam Misiapo from Aotearoa New Zealand. Lane 3 it is Tamatoa Lahatau from